The dealership I dealt with before was, I'm not even kidding you guys, one of the top 2 worst experiences I've ever had with the dealership was that other one, the first one. And I'm just so glad to find a nice one like Crown that did it right. As you guys know, with the Mercedes, I have been being stonewalled by crappy dealerships just trying to get the brakes fixed under warranty as it was supposed to be. A lot of Mercedes SL500s and other models from the 2000s have a braking system failure that only leaves you with a percentage of your brakes. Mercedes corporate and the factory knows that, and of course extended the warranty to get fixed. But the problem is really crappy dealerships that exist out there in the world, and one I dealt with, will stonewall you because they don't want to deal with it. Let's not go into why. I'll do another video as to why and how do you find a better dealership. But long story short, this Mercedes is fixed. So question is, since I, a lifetime car guy, builder, collector, everything, was getting completely stonewalled and shut down, what did I have to do to make this happen? Oh God. Well, first of all, I had to talk to people I know and say, what place do you think works well? Where do I have a better relationship with a dealership that will at least just treat me fairly and right? And I heard good things about Mercedes up in Ann Arbor, and I heard good things about Crown down in Dublin, Ohio, and Columbus. And I called them up, both of them, and I said, here's the warranty item that I know about. It is failing. If you see it in the codes that it's failing, will you fix it, even if it's not showing the fault on the dash at the time? Both of them said yes, and more importantly, both of them treated me like a real human being with respect, like I was halfway intelligent, and gave me a good comfort factor. So I chose to bring it down to Columbus because I know Columbus better. I have more friends and everything down here. And long story short, it's fixed at Crown. I'm not getting paid. I get nothing out of this other than this dealership actually fixed the car like they should. So I wanted to tell you all about it because there's a learning experience for me and everybody else out there, because I don't want you guys getting screwed over by bad dealerships. I'd rather you have a good experience so you can enjoy the car you want, whatever it is. The truth be told about this car, it's actually a really nice car, okay? I know we could beat up on Mercedes, but just because, you know, they are expensive, they have a lot of systems, and if you don't take care of them, they might not work. But it's a very nice car, and I just wanted the older lady whom I'm friends with and respect to have a nice time. So I'm gonna show you this. This is the bill. First of all, it shows the warning and everything about it. No charge the whole way across, right? Let's go to the end here. I can't even turn the page. It's kind of cold out here, you guys. Look at this. 0. They fixed it very quickly and did a great job. And when I came in, they treated me like a reasonable person with respect. Not only that, but when they brought the car around, it's freaking detailed. Look how nice it looks. I didn't ask for that. They don't sponsor me. I came here like any other person doing this, okay? And I said to the man who I was talking with at the service department, I said, why? I just looked at him, I said, this is gonna be a dumb question, but why do you not suck to work with? And he was kind of like laughed and looked like, what are you talking about? And I said, dude, like, the other dealership totally stonewalled me. They didn't want to deal with it at all. They didn't care. And he just looked at it and like, because the car's under warranty and it's not that big a deal. Like, we just did what we're supposed to do. I gotta remember how to open this. Now the trolls are gonna be mad at me because I don't remember how to open this thing up. Where's the doodad? Oh, here it is. It's right in the middle. So come here, look at that. See that? That's the SBC system. You know, it doesn't take a rocket science to see that's a brand new one that's in there. It's nice and shiny. Isn't that great? Come back. So it's a done deal. And the car is fixed. And now it's safe and working as Mercedes intended it to a long time ago. And I can actually bring it back to the lady so she can have a nice time in it. Isn't that what cars are all about? To enjoy them? So all I got to say to you guys is relationships with dealerships is paramount. Do they treat you with respect? Can you get through in a reasonable time? Do they do what they say they're going to do, or they're crazy surprises? If you're having that with other ones, maybe it's time for you to find another one and work it out. I don't get anything from Crown other than just a nice experience like any other person on the planet. So I should probably not promote people that don't pay me anything more in the future. But I just wanted to promote something where they treat people with dignity and respect, and you can actually enjoy a car mark such as Mercedes in a way where you don't feel like you're getting destroyed. So I guess, thanks Crown. Rock and roll. All right, so I'm gonna get this car out of here and take it back to this lady. But I mean, check it out. They detailed it. It's so nice. What? Look, the wheels are even shiny. Look at this. It looks great. I didn't have to do that. That's just pleasant. So I've lost too many days of my life with this saga because of that crappy dealership that's local to where I'm at. Not this one, this one's been great. The other one. And it just, man, you guys, like I beat up on dealerships and new cars, and the reason being is experiences like that. Yeah, like new cars depreciate, newsflash, okay? We all know that. But you should at least be able to enjoy them and not get destroyed by the service. You should at least be able to do that. And the dealership I dealt with before was, I'm not even kidding you guys, one of the top 2 worst experiences I've ever had with the dealership was that other one, the local, the first one. And I'm just so glad to find a nice one like Crown that did it right. I don't know, I can't even say enough. Like, I'm so glad this is done. So I'm gonna do one last video on this whole Mercedes SBC thing, and that's taking the car to the lady, and we'll drive around and have a fun time with her. And she used to work for Winston Churchill and Interpol. She's got great stories. So I hope you guys stay tuned. In the meantime, please share this. So if you're having friends that are having difficulty with any kind of dealerships out there in the world and want to find a new one, find a better relationship, whatever that may be, share it. And of course, I hope you guys will like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're looking for some sort of new luxury car or place to get serviced, all I can say is I had a pretty good experience here at Crown. And I hope you guys will subscribe. See you next time. Let's go.